Based on the logic of the creation of the two characters up and rain that we talked about before, let's now take a look at the character cloud in Oracle Bone Script. How did the ancients cleverly describe the natural phenomenon of clouds? First of all, the core principle of the creation of the character cloud is pictographic. In other words, it is directly drawn. The most eye-catching part is the curly and swirling strokes. Imagine the clouds rolling and gathering in the air. Clouds are not static. They will flow, turn, and deform with the wind. Sometimes they even circle like a whirlpool, which is very vivid. In addition, the horizontal line above the character cloud is the same as the line representing the sky in the character rain, that is, the concept of the skyline. It tells us that clouds are in the sky and come from the sky. Similarly, the other form of this character also cleverly echoes the spatial connotation of the upper space, where the symbol up exists. Through such a structure, it not only depicts the shape of the cloud, but also indicates the location of the cloud, the sky above. If we further observe the changes in the multiple shapes of cloud, we will find that some of the shapes of cloud look tilted. When compared with each other, some even have a 90-degree difference in angle. This tilt is not an accidental carving, but a unique design. Why? Because the shape of the cloud changes in a myriad of ways, and changes rapidly. The ancients recorded these moments of the moment when observing the different forms of the cloud. These different degrees of tilt are the sketching and freehand of the natural celestial phenomena at that time. This kind of lifelike brushwork is not only a record, but also a performance. It shows the ancients' keen observation and high expressiveness, making the text itself come alive as if it has a soul. In summary, the oracle character cloud is not only a pictographic character, but also a dynamic sketch of nature. It uses simple strokes to convey complex natural images and spatial concepts. It is the crystallization of the wisdom of the ancients who observed nature, understood the world, and transformed it into symbols. Every stroke of the character cloud tells us that it is not just a word, but a silent dialogue that spans 3,000 years.